let us make that delicious melon soup, right? In this part of the world, we call it egusi. Yeah, this is all the fish we are using, the dry fish rather, all right? We are using to make this particular soup. This soup is for people that don't have plenty money, but they want to eat melon soup. This video is for you. It's not every time we'll be making video for rich people. Well, I do not mean that anybody that ate this soup is not a rich person, but at times we feel like to eat low budget. Trust me, after watching this video, you will thank me. If you watch this video and find this video helpful, please drop a comment and give me a thumb like, right? And if you want, the only people that watch this video to the end will understand how everything go. You can't watch it halfway and understand it. You have seen the way we arrange our dry fish already. Now we are washing our kpomo, all right, cow skin. After washing your cow skin, cut bit by bit. Before I forget, when washing your cow skin, you can do well to use hot water because the cow skin gets some dirt inside. Now you have seen the way we are spicing it, all right? Now I put my pepper, I put my salt, I put my seasoning cube, and add a little water and cook for some minutes. Well, cook for a minimum of 10 minutes to 20 minutes because the cow skin is soft already, the fish is soft already. It's just to help the fish and the cow skin, to add some spice inside. After 10 to 15 minutes, I open to check. I turn very well. What I did was I add my red oil and continue cooking. After 5 minutes, I check and add the water I'm going to use. I still cover it back and cook. And open. The oil has boiled with the water, everything all together. I'm not frying this particular melon. I'm cooking it. But the end will shock you. I add my melon already and stir to make sure it dissolves proper. Let me know what you think on comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also do well to check the description box to see more videos that we find interesting. Please, when doing this, don't go far. When you cover, check in every 2 minutes so that your melon will not get burnt. If you cover it and leave it, your melon will get burnt unless you put plenty water. I remember, as I always said, I don't eat watery soup. Now, I need to cook more. I add more water and I will stir and stir and stir and cover back to see, I open again, I stir again. I add my crayfish and pepper. Remember, I use pepper in steaming the fishes and the kpomo. This is my blended crayfish and pepper to adjust. I cover and cook for some minutes again. I open to check. Now I go in with my uziza leaf. When you add this leaf, trust me, the aroma is something else. This is low budget soup. Let me know what you think about this on comment section. Thank you for watching. Now serve. Interesting.